Europe and India and Asia, I wanna hear the music all over same way. Hey, hey. Every day, hey, go through the world in vibe. I wanna share this life. Yeah. I wanna see dancing in the streets of America, like a revolution beat. I call the nation far and near. There's a current in the air. Reggae music I share everywhere. Love and care same way. Hey, every day. Whoa, no stress, progress, happiness, no less than this. Yeah, yeah. Music make you feel like you possess. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, have you in a trance? Reggae make you dance. Yeah, hey. Listen, now if you love the reggae music, sing I love the reggae music, make sure you're included in your diary. Healing of the nation, oneness vibration, listen, in New York we say reggae hit the spark. In London reggae music hit the jump. In Canada reggae music broke up. In South America on every radio station. Australia, New Zealand, Botswana, South Korea and China, Ethiopia, South Africa. Reggae music playing, reggae ignite, to make the love shine bright. I wanna boast our fight. Every nation unite. Hey, dancing in the street in Africa, reggae revolution day. And in America, Canada, Europe, India and Asia, I wanna hear the music all over same way. Hey, every day, my people. Oh, let's say, more love, more life. Everyone was living as they wanna be. God knows every sister, every brother free. I got the prophecy from His Majesty. Him lead me in a vision and say follow me. Everyone was living as they wanna be. God knows. In a me prophecy, we are build and create. In a me prophecy, then we learn to meditate. In a me prophecy, then Africa repatriate. Me no want to say nobody just stand up and I hate. In a me prophecy, how things are run great. Lion and the sheep are eat out of the same plate. 3 eyes open left out of the rat race. Humble better when you could I get a fit participate. That I got the prophecy from His Majesty. He lead me in a vision and say follow me. Everyone was living as they wanna be. God knows every sister, every brother free. Prophecy from His Majesty. Him lead me in a vision. I can touch one more before I leave. One more. Now one your name, play by the King. So love is all I bring. Rock I surely do the thing. Play by the King. So love will lift your eye without no wings. I sing. Play by the King. So love is all I bring. Rock I surely do the thing. Play by the King. I want you to listen to this lyrics. Hey, hey, dirty thinking, enough of them I bring. And don't remember music is for the thinking. Hating them soul, would I leave them sinking? And don't bother pick up no badness, cause it is the in thing. You'll find yourself under the spiritual linking. You study the life, hold your vibes and sip your ginseng. Corruption glass, you pass them blinking. 3 eyes open and them never bling. Last night I got the prophecy from His Majesty. Him lead me. Yeah, don't stop it. Everybody, I want you to say Jamaica, I love you. Jamaica, I love you. Jamaica, I love you. Jamaica. So as soon as night I got the prophecy from His Majesty. He lead me in a division and say, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for having me. That was my time. Jamaica, we love you eternally, you know what I mean? Rasta. Let's hear it for Cairo McLean. One love.
The young general man, I do the thing right now. Cairo, big up.
Sing it for you. Run the track for me. Start.
feel like a movie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, yeah, yeah, yeah. When me open up me eyes in the morning, I feel pray. Thank you, Father God, I beg you lead me through the day. They flip the script and we don't know what character to play. A roaring lion can they loose and one type we are prey. The same thing we connect, we are the weapon in we hand. Repeating round the clock to talk assignment on the ground. The language them a speak up in confusion on the land. Delusional them say but I believe in a you plan. Robbing apart, they just a fight and a shot. Bring a twist to the top. We got the truth, this a la can as a matter of fact. But them a try to attract now. Look like them forgetting a who control the preaching we get. All of the cities are like heavy low how we back. What a life in a shop. All the lights that we got. They from top on the top now. Director cut a figure show. This feel like a movie. Oh yeah, this cannot be real like a car. Feel like a movie.
You see everybody. Richie say, Toronto. Wagwan Toronto. Yeah man, you don't know. Are you ready? We're gonna do it for Jamaica, Toronto. I stopped sending flowers to your apartment. Saying not around much, hear me. I stopped drop by without an appointment. Cause I heard laughter coming through your Toronto. Sometimes late at night you still call me. Before you close your eyes to sleep, I made a vow that I will drop by you some. That's a promise I can keep, Toronto, because I. Different. Man, say one song, different thing, run things. Hold on, next thing, Lucas. Run things, my brother, next tune. What the people who love God, let me see them. Toronto. If you only knew the blessings that salvation gives, you will never. If you only see the table spread.
Run it again, bring it down low. Oh yeah, what a vibes. Welcome to paradise. Jamaica, what was that? Regardless what you hear about Jamaica, Jamaica still nice, yeah. Like all the negative vibes, God, Jamaica still on. Right, yeah. Some live abroad, pray for go a yard, and them say it's still nice, yeah. Plus the reggae music, boy, what's up, bring it along. Jamaica, the #1 spot. As the plane touchdown, everybody start clap. Can we pick on the beach, cool down the sun hot. It's a coconut jelly, some sweet sour stuff. Can we pick on the market, pick up a pot. You Kingston City, pan the hip-hop. Can we figure some show hang? Welcome to Jamra. If you miss it one time, you have to come back. Come and say, that Jamaica is nice, yeah. Like all the negative vibes, that Jamaica still on. Right, yeah. Some live abroad, great pick up back a yard is still nice, yeah. Like the reggae music, boy. Oh, bring it down low. Come make a reason and seasoning. Positive vibes, Jamaicans bring. There is no other winner born as a twin. Anything we touch, you know we have to win. Track and field, Cotton and Madeline. Selector him a play the latest juggling. Foreigners in my land, the new dance and thing. And everybody want to learn, but we're speaking regardless what you hear. Jamaica is nice, yeah. Like all the negative vibes, that Jamaica still on. Rise, yeah. Something abroad, we'll pick up back a yard is still nice, yeah. Bring it out. What's the reggae music? Could you all sing along with me? What we say? Regardless what you hear about Jamaica, Jamaica still. Let go the negative vibes, cause Jamaica still on. Some live abroad, fear to go back a yard, it's still nice, yeah. Plus the reggae music, boy. One more time, bring it out. Regardless what you hear about Jamaica, Jamaica still nice. Let go the negative vibes, cause Jamaica still a rising. Some live abroad, fear to go back a yard, it's still nice, yeah. Plus the reggae music, boy, what a vibes, yeah. Thank you so much.
Let's hear it for Tasha T.
One more song. Right now, a lot of houses have been destroyed, you know? And this one is going on to each and every one out there that has lost their homes and rooftops and everything, you know? It's so sad to see the children and sleeping on the street.
Then volunteer your time. You know, everybody has to come together to make this whole thing work. All right, so back to the show. And for all the artists that are going to be performing from this point on, it's going to be one song and no pull-ups. So one song and no pull-up, unless the place like a mash down the place and you have to pull it up. Or if somebody says, yo, here's $100 bill, a money pull-up. That's the only way tunes can pull up. You have to donate at least $100. I saw the thing go right now. I saw the thing there. So right now I bring to the stage my brother. Haven't seen him in such a long time and he's been trotting this thing for a second. And right now, it's his time right now, because he wants some tune and lock down the whole place right now. I'm going to bring to the stage the one, the only, Mr. Maverick Brown. Maverick, Wagwan, the General. Yo!
Where you say, Specs the boss, pick up yourself. JC, how you doing?
Woo!
How are you feeling?
You're a tall lady.
I don't hear that. JC, how are you feeling? I don't want some dance or something. Wanna feel like dance? Alright, run that.
Breaches went out to on Thompson number 10, income member.
Everybody keep following us all like that. Rock and get yourself together, JCA. Make a dance for the stress and the troubles. Reach out to you them all worldwide. Control the area, Rasta area. Give it up. Now the M16 on the Bushmaster, Black 45 on the street sweeper. Pull up that special sorry. Run it. Where's the man? Run it.
Breaches went out to on Thompson number 10, income member.
Sending love towards you then. Me say we control the area, Rasta area. Give it up. Now the M16 on the Bushmaster, that 45 on the street sweeper. Coming out the dogs, I try hold a corner. Look at the girl, them a bubble. You can't sweet her. If you can't buy a beer, you can drink a water. If you don't have a girl, you can find a daughter. Champion sound a play, you come through the speaker. Or the top ends and I say you through the tweeter. When the baseline hold, place get weaker. Come out a smoke, it a bill up on the marijuana. Shot a friend, them for round a saga. Carbo, don't turn a Balkan here. Just a man a born champion, none. Man a born legalist girl. Say man a born specialist herb. We got me get to you.
I'm just coming off the Jam Rock Reggae Cruise and doing a lot of things, and the Jam Rock Reggae Cruise was supposed to go to Jamaica, but due to Hurricane Melissa, we had to go to Mexico because it was that serious. And when you look at all the devastation, it's so absolutely beautiful to see everybody here taking their time out and making those donations to help that little small island called Jamaica. Because they said that we're little, but we're Talawa, and we all have to come together at this time. It doesn't matter if you're a singer, songwriter, composer, producer, a band member, an influencer, a curator, a creator, no matter what role you play, from you benefit from Jamaica in any way, it's time for everybody to come together and give back. And it doesn't necessarily mean by money. Sometimes just volunteering your time, helping to pack up the barrels, pack up the boxes, and sometimes just organizing or mobilizing people. So I just want to say thank you very much to everybody that came out today to this great, great cause. And you know what? I could not come on this stage by myself. Had to bring my sister from a different mister. So I want to call my sister, Juno-nominated artist, radio personality, producer, singer, songwriter. This is my sister, Tanya Mullins. Can we get another microphone for Tanya Mullins, please, real quick? This is Tanya Mullins, people, and I had to call her up here.
Blessings.
Hi, Tanya.
Big up yourself. Big up Specs the Boss, always, all around the world.
Big up Tanya Mullins. Don't worry about me, because it's not about me, it's not about you. Right now it's about Jamaica.
Yeah, it's about Jamaica.
And I just had to, when I saw you, I said I have to bring you on the stage with me because, you know, behind every great man, there's a great woman, and you've done so much great things, not only for our community, but for myself personally. So anytime you have the chance to share the glory,